We're getting started here by adding 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk right into our pan. We'll follow it up with 10 ounces of Reese's peanut butter chips. And remember that stuff that you used to love when you were a kid, you know, that marshmallow fluff? Yeah, don't forget about that. We are gonna grab 2 whopping spoonfuls of fluff right in with our peanut butter chips and our sweetened condensed milk. Just gonna help that out a little bit. There we go. Now you'll take a moment on low to just stir all of that stuff together until the peanut butter chips are fully melted and combined with the condensed milk and that delicious marshmallow fluff. I cannot wait to eat this. This looks fantastic. So once everything's all combined, just go ahead and turn your heat all the way off. So now take your super easy peanut butter fudge and we're gonna pour that right into our pan right here. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And with those Reese's chips, oh, have you guys tried those yet? I have not tried them yet, and I can't wait because Reese's is one of my favorite candies. Now we're in fall, we're approaching Halloween. What is your favorite candy? I'm the one who goes and takes all the Reese's cups out of my kids' trick-or-treat bag. They know that that's my favorite one, so they have to set those aside for me. Do you guys have something for your kids or your grandbabies out there that is your ultimate favorite and you say, hey, you know what, I gotta have that candy bar or save one of those for me, right? Well, I wanna know, what is that? Is it Reese's too? Tell me. Okay, so I've got some chopped nuts here and I'm gonna sprinkle them right on top. Now, of course, this is optional. I was thinking you could probably even blend them in with the fudge, and if that's what you would do, please tell me in the comments, or if you would add anything else or do anything different to this delicious treat. So we only have about 4 ingredients here we're working with. We have the fluff, we have the 14 ounces of condensed milk, the 10 ounces of chips, and I'm just choosing to put a nice hefty layer of peanuts here on the top, but of course, you know, that is optional too. And like I said, if there's anything else that you're gonna add, I wanna know all about it in the comments. I love hearing your ideas. Now I'm gonna pop this in the fridge for probably only about an hour, maybe even less. I'm gonna let it set up so it happens quickly and I can show you how delicious this fudge really is. Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. I am ready to dig into this peanut butter fudge. It has my name written all over it. So I let it sit in the fridge for a couple hours and it's good to go. This looks so delicious. I can't wait to dig in. Oh, all those peanuts on top. Mmm. Wow. Amazing. I love how smooth it is. It is perfect. That peanut butter with the fluff and the sweetened condensed milk and the little bit of nuts on top for an extra crunch is the perfect combo. I want to know what you guys think about this recipe. Are you down for the peanut butter? Are you going to try something else? What are you topping with this with? I hope you guys love this and we'll see you later. Enjoy.